Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to learn how to draw a line with a proper angle, and also how to create a rectangle using the line command. I hope you enjoy the video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. So, let's get started. First, let's draw a line. To do that, go to the Line command and right-click to activate it. Now, select the first point of the line. Suppose we need a line of 100 millimeters, so type 100 in the dialog box. Don't press Enter yet. Now, press the Tab key. This will move you to the next dialog box, which is for the angle of the line. This dialog box represents the angle. Type 45, since we want the line at a 45-degree angle. Then press Enter. As soon as you press Enter, you'll see a line drawn at a 45-degree angle. Next, let's learn how to make a rectangle using the Line command. The rectangle dimensions will be 100 by 100 millimeters. So, first, activate the Line command again by right-clicking on the line icon. Select the first point, then type 100 and press Enter. One side of the rectangle is done. Now, move your cursor downward along the negative y-axis, type 100 and press Enter. Next, move your cursor towards the negative x-axis, type 100 and press Enter again. Finally, move the cursor upward along the positive y-axis, type 100 and press Enter. And that's it. You've successfully created a rectangle using the Line command. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more AutoCAD drawing tutorials.